Whew, it is 5:30 in the morning and it is really, really cold. Looks like we're in the right place. Good morning. Whew, it's cold. Oh, I kind of broke it. Hairnet. How do I look? Legit? We're in Union, New Jersey at the Smarties candy factory. So much candy, which interestingly enough, I have actually eaten a lot of in my childhood. Candy necklace, how many of these did I wear? And we are here to meet Isonia, who has been working here for many, many, many decades. I grew up obsessed with candy. I loved this one show where they would go inside different candy factories. I just love the whole process. Obviously that process has gotten super automated, but there are still humans behind it, and I wanted to see the humans responsible. Hi, Isonia.
All right. Hi, how you doing?
What are you working on?
Every morning we do paperwork. We check to make sure everything is running in place.
And you're gonna show me the ropes?
Yes.
By the end of the day, I'll be able to make Smarties myself?
Eat them. My name is Isonia Serrano. I work here for 35 years, almost 36, 19 years as a lead person. We usually come in the morning and then start all the machines. Then I do all my paperwork. By the time people get here, I put everybody to work. Lo que pasa es que él se le está trabando mucho el caramelo y tú te vas conmigo a la 56. Okay, thank you.
Do you think that you are a good leader?
I can get better. I always try to get better. I teach everybody anything that you need. If you did it wrong, if you don't know how to do it, if you think that you're not gonna make it, anything, you let me know. I will help you.
What is the most challenging part of your job?
Being a lead person. As a woman, I'm the only woman here as a lead.
Do you feel like you get the same respect as the male leaders?
I'll make sure that they will.
Isonia, does it just feel like you're working every day at Willy Wonka's?
Yes, I love that movie. Here is where the magic starts.
Whoa. It smells like a child's birthday party in here.
Right. We have all the colors. Every time that he mixes some colors, he goes through the computer. This is the mixer. Everything got mixed.
Oh, wow. Okay, then they get mixed in there.
All the ingredients plus the color goes through the pipes.
Oh my God.
Everything got into here.
Wow.
And this is the conveyor who brings the candy.
It goes up and over.
Yes.
The wrapping room.
The candy comes this way, right?
Got all the flavors. They pipe in, they mix.
They go up to the conveyor. And then from there, they goes to each machine. And they all go into the big hoppers where they mix together.
Oh my God, this is so cool. The machine sorts and organizes them like they're coins in a slot. And then they get wrapped.
When it gets full, that big bucket, it's transferred with a forklift to this machine.
Whoa, whoa, whoa. I feel like I'm actually okay at this job. What was your first day like?
The beginning was hard. Everything has a number here. Everything has to be in place, so you have to learn all that. And you cannot make a mistake to put this item in this box because it doesn't belong. And I used to cry. I said, I had to learn. By the end of the week, top 2 weeks, I will learn all the machines. And then I did, but not by myself. People helped me out. I work with my husband, Edwin. He's a mechanic.
All right. Oh, look who it is. Hi, Edwin.
Hello.
How's it going?
Hey, very good.
How often do you come and visit him here?
A lot.
A lot?
Oh.
Do you ever come just
always
to
go.
say hi?
Yes, I do. Talk to him about our kids, about the house, or whatever, and then I go back to my work. And to me, it helped me out a lot that he's there. With his knowledge, I learn more.
Can you fix any machine?
Every machine.
I consider myself a lucky person because having him as my right hand, it's priceless. Down. Víctor, ábreme la puerta y ciérramela ya, por favor. Okay. Edwin! He goes the mechanic.
Pero no prende, nada.
No, no.
Si no activa la computadora, no.
He'll fix it. Did you see anything, right? He just started the machine. It's not even one person. It's a team group. It requires a lot of good people. Did you know that you're the best?
It's 9:45 in the morning. We've basically been in every single room in the factory. I think what I'm the most amazed at here is like, yes, this is a candy factory, but it's very calm. Isonia sets a very chill, non-frenetic energy around here. Also, she and Edwin are so freaking cute as a couple. I'm as entranced by her professionally as I am of their relationship. The two of them are sort of like king and queen of this castle. He makes sure the machines work. She makes sure the people are happy who make the machines work.
It's the yin and the yang. Edwin's in the maintenance side of things, Isonia's in the production side of things. Her strengths are not necessarily his strengths, and vice versa. They're very simpatico. They spend quiet time together through the course of the workday. When they're on the floor together, it's all business. Edwin is the mechanic, and she directs him, and she's very direct. But it works for them.
Is it almost time for lunch?
1 o'clock.
1 o'clock. What do you bring for lunch usually?
Today I got steak, rice,
Nice.
and plantain.
Sounds delicious.
You're welcome to go try our food. Only you.
Aww. Oh, thank you. Oh, nice. I love the juice. Who asked who out first? Like, who asked who out for a date?
My friend was his friend, and they said, let's go out together. I was like,
You said no? Why?
Because I have 2 kids. I started working here when my youngest one was 10 months. I was by myself with my kids. It wasn't easy, very hard. But there was an angel. I say it was an angel because there was an old man working here. He found out what I was going through, and every Friday morning he will knock on my door, ring the bell, with $60 so I can feed my kids. Like a year after that, he passed because he got sick and he passed, but I never forget.
It's not the kind of person you would forget.
No, never. After that, I met Edwin, and our life changed. Our life changed. This is our first day with the kids.
Like how many years ago?
Like 30 years ago. And look at that handsome guy. I remember when he came here, he has that black hair. I was like, oh, wow. And he was so quiet. He never talked to anybody. He was quiet. My daughter, she made a book, putting all the pictures that we were by ourselves. And then when he came along to our life, our kids, they were never alone. They were all together. Oh my God, bring a lot of good memories. Look at this.
Hi, Mom.
Hi, Ed.
How are you?
I'm good. How you doing?
I'm good.
I left the food on the stove for you.
Oh, I see the food. Okay. I'll have that before I go to work.
Yes.
What do you feel like your parents taught you about having a good work ethic?
It isn't necessarily about what they taught me, but what they showed me. The passion that they have for the people that they work with as well. It's not just them wanting to do good, but they want everyone else to do good as well. That helps me a lot in my future today because I like to help other people. They don't look out only for themselves, they always look out for another person.
You and Edwin seem like amazing parents, I'll be
Thank you.
honest.
Thank you so much. We did our best to give our kids a future. And not only my family, look at those kids. I talk to the same way that as I talk to my kids, I talk to them. They're young, they came here to do a job. They need to know that they're not alone in this country.
Ella cuando todas las mañanas nos abraza, nos saluda. Ella es como una mamá.
Recuerdos es que siempre me decía que trate de ser el mejor. Hay capacidad para hacer algo mejor todavía.
Ella es muy voluntariosa. Lo que se necesita, ella siempre está allí. Ella es la primera en ayudar.
First Smartie of the day.
Oh, you haven't tried it before?
No, I've had a lot of Smarties, but this is my first Smartie of today.
So as the Smarties come out, some of them get stuck. Edwin is there making sure that they keep filtering down instead of just getting stuck in this little disc.
Imagine the whole life, 35 years here. I never thought that I was gonna make it. Sometimes you fear to fail your kids, to fail your partner, to fail the people who looking at you as a role model.
Oh, it works now. You fixed it.
Well, thank God that we're around the corner. It's 3:05. It's time to go home. We don't need anything else. We have our family. We're blessed. We got 4 beautiful children. We have everything.